My name is McKay Johnson, and this is my science project. And here are my items. And actually, these are my items. I have an index card, petroleum jelly, cotton swab, and a magnifying glass. I took the index card and I placed petroleum jelly on the index card with a cotton swab, and I observed my results. And here's indoor. I take all these to the inside of my window, and outside I take these outside of my window. And just by looking, you can tell that outdoor air is dirtier than my house air. And you can tell by the dust, the hair, and all the other stuff. And my question is, it does really attract petroleum jelly. And my conclusion will be yes, petroleum jelly attracts dust and lobster depending on the weather. As you can see, rainy days, the harder it rains, the more dirt. This is the air you're actually breathing in. This is the air you're breathing in. So the more I do this, the cleaner my air will be around my area. And that was my science project. And these are my observations.
Hi, my name is Natalie Western, and this is my project. The project that I did is called Growing My Sweet Potato. What I did is I got a sweet potato and then I put it in water. And I cut pieces. There are labels of it. And I blew it myself. And one label is a leaf, and another label is the vines. Another label is the sweet potato. Another label is the eyes. And there are eyes on a sweet potato. I really didn't know that. And another label is water. And I had some steps that I grew my sweet potato. It says steps 5 days. Step 1, I chose my sweet potato that had sprouts. I chose the sweet potato that had a lot of vines. It meant it was about to sprout. Step 2, I stuck 4 toothpicks into the sweet potato. I made sure the toothpicks were placed at equal distance around the sweet potato. Step 3, I filled my cup with 1 quart of warm water and put my sweet potato into it. The toothpick held my sweet potato so that one end of the sweet potato is in water and the other end is above the jar. Step 4, I placed my cup in a sunny spot, but I made sure not to put it directly into the sun, and I made sure my sweet potato got about 4 hours of sunlight every day. Step 5, I have been growing my sweet potato for a couple of weeks now. I have enjoyed watching its cup in 5 days. In 5 days, it has grown to long slim vines in just a couple of weeks. I enjoyed my experience in growing my sweet potato. It was nice to see something that I made with my own hands sprout out into a beautiful and healthy plant.
The title of my project is Eco-Friendly Environment, and my name is Brittany Pierce. The materials I used during my project is styrofoam, moss, wild plants, construction paper, water. My name is Brittany Pierce, and the title of my project is Eco-Friendly Environment. The things that I used to make my eco-friendly lake was moss, leaves, plants, and cardboard down here and styrofoam. To make this, I put little leaves or branches from trees, and I collected leaves from bushes. I also, to make this pond here, I put installation, a blue type installation to make the water, and that's how I made my eco-friendly environment.
Okay, my project is on eco-friendly, and what I did here was I put flower seeds into my garden, and I had waited till probably three months until this grew, and then I had planted these, but I never watered it or made it grow. This I stayed in the sunlight, and what I did here was types of pollution: noise pollution, water pollution, land pollution, air pollution, and radioactive pollution. And you can see here, these are all the good things and how you should take care of our environment. And this is how people had treated our eco-friendly environment. My project is going green and pollution. The main topic is on pollution and
project.
Alright, my project is about which sugar crystals grow faster, tap or distilled water. The materials I use is 1 cup of water, 3 cups of table sugar, a plain glass jar, pencil or butter knife, string, pan or bowl for boiling water and solution, spoon or stirring bar. My hypothesis. Some people drink tap water and say it's nasty or doesn't taste right. People get fluoride. If people can afford it, they won't have good water. I have studied this project. While I was studying, weird things happened. First, tap water didn't start until a couple of days. So I did an experiment to show you, even though it has chemicals in it, it still can grow something, and you won't believe it. I know that tap has more chemicals in it than distilled water. Some people use fluoride to clean tap. Distilled water was on task. It didn't take long to grow. When the project was done, I took it to school and it still grows. When I took out the sugar crystals, tap water looked bigger than distilled water. It was surprising to me, but sugar crystals were not surprised. Right here, these are pictures. This picture is to show you how the sugar is forming on the string. In this picture right here, you can see it's not forming as the one on the left. This picture is to show you if you can compare them. Do you see any forming? This picture is to contrast them, so I took separate pictures. This is to show you how they looked when they first came out. As you can see right here, they don't really look like they're forming. Okay. Here is another picture to contrast tap and, of course, distilled water. And here's just a regular picture of distilled. As you can see, that this is distilled water. It really didn't grow fast because I really don't know why it didn't grow fast. But I thought it would, since it was on test, I thought it was going to grow more, but it didn't. Tap water actually is growing bigger. It was getting ready to grow taller, but we had to take it to school early. And can you see any of which one is like distilled or tap? But if you couldn't, it will be, this will be distilled.